spat the belt. Try again. That's fucking grouse, my nose. Yeah.
Oh, it's a willy bar.
Yeah, leave that in there for sure. Stop you flipping over.
I realised that was there. You could just do a bum drag all over the road.
Yeah, but until you felt it hit the ground, you're pooing yourself. That's fucking ace.
You need to put a skid plate on there.
Just dug up the road a fair bit.
No, I'll put it away now.
That's fucking gold.
And paint it.
Can't help himself. I'm putting it away now. After I monoed into Miko's van.
Gotta get that dog sorted out.
Yep.